I have an interesting light bulb in my collection here. I'll show you. At first it looks pretty ordinary. 25 watt A19 type. So we pop it out of the box here. Well, that looks pretty ordinary, doesn't it? Frosted bulb. But I don't know if I can get this on the camera or not, if this will show. It says Philips, but it's 34 volts. It says 34 volts on there, 25 watts. So this is a definite odd bulb. I know sometimes you'll see 12 volt bulbs, but 34 volts. Well, what this is, I guess at least at some point in time, they used them in trains. Trains had a 30 volt lighting system, so you will see these at 30 volts. But for some reason this is 34. Maybe it's like the energy saving or long lasting type. Perhaps that's what it is. But here in my Philips catalog, that last line there, you can see this bulb. 34 volts. 25 watts, A19, 325 lumens. So it actually puts out almost 100 more lumens than a 120 volt 25 watt bulb. The reason for that is at the lower voltage the filament is thicker. It has to draw higher current to make up for the lower voltage to get the same wattage. So the filament is a little thicker and it can run a bit hotter, giving you the extra lumens. So it looks like it's almost a 40 watt bulb in comparison, a standard 120 volt 40 watt. Not quite there, but it's a little brighter than a 25 watt 120 volt. But anyway, enough of yakking. Let's screw this in to a socket. I have this power supply right here that happens to put out the correct voltage for this bulb. So let's fire it up. So there you go. I'll turn the lights off. Point the camera at the wall. So I'll turn the bulb off. It's about 5 foot away from the wall here, and I'll screw it back in. You can see it light up the wall over there. So there you go, a 25 watt 34 volt bulb. Where did I get it? I found it on eBay. Somebody was selling them. Usually with these rare bulbs, they're expensive. They want, you know, like $9-10 or even more for them. But somebody was selling them for a little under $4, so I bought 2 of them. The shipping was reasonable, so I got a couple of them at a decent price. Now if you have those old Delco farm generators where you can operate 32 volt appliances, you're looking for bulbs for that, you might search around for a 34 volt bulb. If you're not having any luck with 32 volts, yeah, the voltage is close enough, it'll work. So there you go, my Philips 25 watt 34 volt light bulb. Thanks for watching.